Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends present over here. Myself, Shri Swami from grade 8. I am here to lead today's morning assembly by Vasishtha House. As a new day has been started, we should know what is today's day and date. To perform that, I request Ved Bhandari from grade 1st to tell us today's day and date.
Morning all of you. My name is Ved Bhandari. Today I will tell you today's day and date. Today's date is Wednesday. Today's date is 21st August 2024. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Ved. To make this day thoughtful, I would like to call Anya Kumar from grade 4 to tell us today's thought of the day.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today my name is Anya Kumar. I am from grade 4. Today I am going to tell you today's good thought. Today's good thought is the best way to predict your future is to create. Meaning, we have power to shape our own destiny. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.
Thank you, Anya. History tells us what has happened in past on this day. So for that, I would like to call Jayavardhan from grade 5th to tell us today's history of the day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Jayavardhan Desai. I am studying in 5th standard. Today I am going to tell history of the day. Today's history of the day is first, in 1972, the enactment of the Wildlife Protection Act. Second, in 2008, India's lunar ambition takes flight with NASA. Third, in 2008, reconnecting with Srinagar and Muzaffarabad. Fourth, in Syria, chemical attack occurs. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Jayavardhan. News tells us what is happening in our surroundings. So I would like to request Samarth Pagmode from grade 8 to tell us news headlines.
Good morning all of you. My name is Samarth Pagmode from 8th standard. I am here to tell you today's news headlines. First, local train halted at Central Railway Station in Maharashtra. Second, in India, Health Minister enhanced the security in Central Hospital. Third, Sudha Murthy clear Raksha Bandhan post on Karnoti Humayun. Fourth, heavy downpour trigger waterlogging in Delhi, Jammu Kashmir to Telangana. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Samarth. Now it's time to learn today's idiom. Idioms make our sentences use our sentences perfection and make our language more attractive. So for that, I would like to call Dada Sahib from grade 7 to tell us today's idiom.
Good morning, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, and all my dear friends. My name is Dada Sahib Ganpati Rathod, standing before you to tell today's idiom. Today's idiom is to take the bull by the horn. It means to solve a problem without hesitation. Sentence: during our doubt session, our teacher take the bull by the horn. Thank you and have a nice day again.
Thank you, Dada Sahib. Now, we should never stop learning. So, to learn today's new word, I would like to call Aradhya Girigosavi from grade 6 to tell us today's vocabulary of the day.
Good morning everyone, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Aradhya Girigosavi. Today I am going to tell you about the vocabulary word. Today's vocabulary word is compare. I repeat my word, compare. I spell my word, C-O-M-P-A-R-E, compare. Meaning of the word is estimate or measure the ways in which one person or a thing is similar to or unlike another. Sentence of the word is, do not compare you with others. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Aradhya. As the time has passed, it's time to wrap up our assembly. I declare that today's assembly is over. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.